Hello viewers. Hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty. Today we will try to learn a tricks of Excel with the help of a simple story. The story or conversation between a brother and a sister. In the scenario, brother Johnny is a professional Excel user and on the contrary sister Lisa is a student. Lisa is typing a table from a blog site to complete her academic assignments. So, let's listen to their conversation and learn a useful tricks of Excel. Hope this will help in your day-to-day life. Hey Lisa, what are you doing?
I am doing my assignment and it's so boring. I need this table for my math. Now I am typing this table from internet to Excel. I am feeling so bored to do this data entry part. It's been a long time I am doing this work.
Ow, you are doing this boring job because you don't know a simple trick. Let me show you this trick. Actually, it is a 2-minute tricks.
Oh really? How? I want to learn.
Okay, let me show you. It's an easy one but huge time saver. Suppose you are going to copy a table in this website. So at first you need to go to that website. Copy that website address. Beside this you need to open an Excel sheet. In the Excel sheet go to Data tab. Here you will get a tab named Get and Transform. On that tab you will click on New Query. On New Query you will get an option from Other Sources. There is an option from Web. A new pop-up has opened, which wants the URL address. Paste the URL address that you had copied from the website, and press OK. Here on left side this tab is showing the tables on that website. You can see preview of that table on the right side of the window. Then I am going to select the table I want. Suppose I want table 2. I am clicking load. And this my table that I had wanted to be typed.
Whoa, it's a really amazing trick. Can I do it for other website?
Of course you can do it.
Thanks for learning me this tricks. To get this type of amazing tips and tricks, keep connecting with us by subscribing Saba 037. Thanks for watching.